Hello friends, today we are going to create our first program using robotics. So let's start. Now for building this program and circuit, I am going to use an online platform known as tinkercad.com. So let's log in. Here as you can see, you can make many circuits and also you can code them here itself. Is the circuit for our first program. To execute this program, first we need to build the circuit. So we need the following items. First, 3 jumper wires red. Second, 3 jumper wires black, 2 LEDs of 2 different colors, and 2 transistors. After building the circuit, we need to upload the code. So here in the code section, I have written the code. Note that this code is written in Arduino C language, and this code has been already mentioned in the description below. After you have uploaded the code, you can close this tab and then we can start with simulation. So as you can see here, it's working. Now let's try it out in real life. So here I'm going to change the output to high and LED one again high. Now we are going to upload the code and we uploaded, and as you can see the program is working. I have used Arduino Uno R3 for this. So this was all about our first program. Second program. So in this what we have to do exactly is that, let me start the simulation. So when I press the button here, the LED should go. See here it's glowing. So this is the code for the program which I have written. So it has also it has been provided in the description below, and this is the model of the circuit.